Hello everyone and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, founder of LFY Consulting, where we coach and guide entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs to create a career that they can love. And today I just want to quickly talk about this return to normalcy, or the new normal, or however people want to phrase it. But places are reopening. Life is getting back to some semblance of what it was before. But during these past couple months, we've all grown. We've all tried new things. Our habits have changed. And some for the better. I know, even for myself, I know I'm spending less. I'm more financially aware. I'm trying new things in the growth department, from like spirit hacks and meditation and different types of workouts. I'm connecting with friends in a way that I haven't before. I'm producing content in a way that I haven't before. And so I ask you, what do you want to take with you moving forwards? I'm so concerned that people are going to go back into this normal everyday behavior that they're comfortable with, that worked for them before, because that was their routine and that's where they excelled or thought they excelled. So before you just start doing what you used to do, actively think about, with intent, what you can take with you. What adds more to your life? And what moves that needle forwards in a way that you weren't doing before? That's so important. Let's take what we've become and use it in this new time that's right around the corner. Thank you all for listening. I'd love to hear what you're going to take with you in the next stage, or whatever's going on in the world. Leave it in the comments. If you've taken one thing away, if you resonate with this message, share it as well. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.